There's quite a bit of confusion around the terms coach and coaching. That's because they're used to mean very different things. One sense is of coach as instructor, somebody who teaches. Another one is coach as facilitator, somebody who helps knowledge to emerge, but doesn't necessarily teach it. Coach as instructor refers to people such as wellness coach or a tennis coach or a football coach or a voice coach. These are people who teach you how to do something practical. They are experts in the subject matter of what you want to learn. The second sense, coach as facilitator, instead refers to professional coaches who use mostly a non-directive approach to help you find your own solutions, to help you gain clarity in your thoughts. So they're not teaching a subject. They're helping you to improve your thinking skills and find ways to achieve your objectives. So you see, they're very different approaches, and that's why everybody's sort of confused when you say, I'm a coach. Many people might think that you want to teach them something, and they might feel a bit perplexed when you say, no, I don't teach. I help you find out your own solutions. But that's the way it is.